Septic system maintenance is crucial for homeowners to ensure a safe and healthy living environment. A well-functioning septic system prevents wastewater from contaminating soil and water sources. Regular servicing helps to identify potential issues before they escalate, avoiding costly repairs and environmental hazards. Septic services typically include pumping the tank, inspecting components, and assessing drainage fields. Understanding these aspects not only protects your investment but also promotes sustainable practices. By keeping your septic system in optimal condition, you contribute to the health of your family and community, ensuring that your home remains a safe haven for years to come. Understanding the components of a septic system is essential for effective maintenance. The system begins with the septic tank, which holds wastewater and allows solids to settle at the bottom, forming sludge. The liquid effluent flows out into the drain field, where it is distributed through perforated pipes. Here, the effluent is filtered through the soil, which absorbs harmful bacteria and nutrients, purifying the water before it re-enters the groundwater supply. Each part of the septic system plays a vital role in ensuring proper waste management, preventing contamination, and supporting overall environmental health. Recognizing the signs that indicate your septic system needs servicing is crucial for preventing major issues. Common indicators include slow drains, which suggest a buildup of solids in the system. Unpleasant odors around your property can signal a malfunctioning tank or a failure in the drainage system. Additionally, unusually lush patches of grass in the drain field might indicate that untreated wastewater is surfacing, enriching the soil excessively. Addressing these warning signs promptly can save you from costly repairs and ensure that your septic system operates efficiently and safely, protecting both your home and the environment. During a standard septic service visit, a technician takes several key steps to ensure your system is operating correctly. The process typically begins with a thorough inspection, checking the tank for signs of overflow and evaluating the condition of drain fields. Following the inspection, the technician will pump out the septic tank, removing accumulated sludge and solids to prevent clogs and backups. Depending on the condition of the system, potential repairs may be recommended. Understanding these steps helps homeowners feel informed and confident when facing septic maintenance, ensuring their systems function optimally and efficiently. To prolong the life of your septic system and avoid future issues, homeowners should adopt several key maintenance practices. First, schedule regular inspections and pumping every 3 to 5 years to remove sludge buildup. Be mindful of what goes down the drain, avoiding flushing non-biodegradable items and excessive chemicals that can disrupt the natural balance of your system. Maintain proper landscaping around the drain field, keeping heavy machinery and vehicles away to prevent soil compaction. Additionally, conserve water to reduce the load on your septic system. By implementing these tips, you can ensure efficient operation and safeguard your investment.